Should she clean the bathroom?
Should she clean the bathroom?
But watch this couple sit down and play YBAngry and calmly resolve this in just minutes. No stress, no drama. It's just a game.
So the next step, we have to decide who's going to be player A and who's going to be player B for the entire game.
I'll be B. I'm okay with being B.
Both players will use the This One detail cards to write down all the details to support their position on this issue. Only fill in sections 1, 2, and 3. Use as many cards as needed.
Frustrated, and I don't understand some of the things you do. I can't comprehend. I tell you the truth, I'm trying hard as I can. I'm so confused why we keep arguing.
All right, so cleanliness. Bottom line is just being clean. In my experience,
Well, you're just keeping it short, though.
I just want bathrooms clean. Period.
Okay. And tell her how relevant it was.
Oh, it's 10.
So what you're going to do, Sanja, is you're going to tell Eric what you believe you heard in your own words.
Okay.
Ideally, you'll start off by saying what you're saying to me is,
Got it.
and tell him what you heard, and then ask him, is that right?
Got it.
Okay.
I get this. I do this all the time with kids.
You
Got
have to get a yes from him. This way, Eric will feel heard, and then he's open to hearing you when you respond. And when you respond, you're actually responding to what's in his head, not what your life is showing you, what's in your head.
Got it. Awesome. All right. So cleanliness, I hear that you saying, Eric, is that you want me to clean the bathroom more.
Yes.
Is that true?
Is this detail true, what he said?
Yes, it's true. It's irrelevant to me.
How relevant it is to you?
Okay. So the relevance I say.
No. You just write the number 1 through 10 and tell him. A 6?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I feel that it's your space. I only take showers in that bathroom, and I clean the toilet every time I use it.
So you're basically saying, even though you walk and you fix your hair and model your hair in the mirror, cleaning and sweeping the floor is not important. That's why I saw what her relevance was. So what I hear you saying is that it's not important to clean the entire bathroom, not even the shower, just the toilet. That's all I hear. That's because that's what you said.
So you have to ask her, is that right?
Is that right? You saying it's only important to clean, not even the shower, just the toilet. It's your space.
It's your space. That's what I said. I said I only take a shower in that bathroom.
But you don't clean the shower.
And if I use the toilet, baby.
But she doesn't. But she doesn't clean the shower. But she only cleans the toilet, and that's what you're saying.
I'm going to clean something. I do clean the toilet.
Wait. With the game, Eric, you just have to say
what you think
exactly what you think she said until she says, yes, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
You're not arguing or debating.
I understand.
Okay.
She is saying that she only takes a shower and she only cleans the toilet.
And this ask her, is that right?
Is that right?
That's correct.
Okay. So you check yes. The bathroom.
So I'll start because I started to move into 11 once I saw 8.
Okay.
So the bottom line is you can't use a bathroom and just be and cherry pick what you want to clean. I just wasn't raised like that. And the key is that if I use a space, I'm going to clean up everything. I'm always the one that's cleaning the shower. I'm always the one that's sweeping. I clean the toilet. And I do this at least twice a week. Because the hair and stuff is all on the floor, but it's your space. But you're using it. Be respectful. I don't care if I was at your house. And the times I have used the bathroom in my house, I would still wipe down the sink basin and the toilet. Because that's just how you're supposed to treat people's stuff, especially if someone else is going to be using it. That's just how I was raised.
So you guys, this is discussion.
Okay.
So that's 11, right?
Yeah.
Got it?
No.
No, that's for her now. Now you can discuss.
So my thing is, I still feel it's your space, and you and I discussed why I don't clean the shower. I feel that I do bare minimum in that bathroom because I feel like it's Eric's personal space. So if I'm in the bathroom, I make sure that the toilet area is clean. If I brush my teeth down there, that's very rare, that I clean the sink is clean. But the shower area, he knows how I feel about that shower. I'm in and out. And I feel that that's his personal space. And I feel that's your personal space. And he knows why I say that, about that's your personal space, about the shower. But I am open to, if I happen to put my makeup down there and comb my hair, which is very rare because the lighting is better upstairs, then I have no problem of sweeping it, or we can have rotating weeks. Okay, this is my week to clean the bathroom, you know, the mirrors, the basins, all of that area. And I'll clean, he knows I clean the toilet, so that's not an issue. So I clean the toilet and take out the trash. So that's not my thing. But the shower, he knows why I am adamant about that shower.
The problem I have with all of this, it actually shouldn't take a game to do this. It really shouldn't. If you use someone's space, your cousin, your friend, you just clean up.
So what happens?
So the problem is that I'm the one that's always cleaning. I'm the one that's always taking out the trash, and I'm the one that's always doing the shower. But yet and still, you don't want to come down here. You rarely sleep down in the master bedroom, but you just want to cherry pick what you want to do, because keep in mind, her underlying root cause is my space. Listen, we're not, just for the camera, we're not getting a house anytime soon, for obvious reasons, right? So when you keep saying this thing about my space,
we got to steal this car.
right? If you want to keep saying about this is my space, well, I ask you then to respect the space and just clean up. That's it.
The bathroom area.
We're talking about the bathroom.
Got it. So I help clean everything else, so he knows it. It's just the bathroom is my issue, my concerns. I am funny about bathrooms, period. Eric knows how my issue with bathrooms, and I don't want to put that on camera. Why he knows why I am about that bathroom. I hate hair everywhere in the bathroom. It just grosses me out. I just can't. I feel like I'm in there, in and out, and I go, and I only upstairs because of the water pressure in the bathroom.
You want me to pause it so you can talk about the bathroom?
Yes.
Pause it.
You're praying to God cause you're at your limits, but this could be resolved in a matter of minutes. Honesty mixed with all your reasons, we can finally fix this disagreement.
All right, we're back.
Okay, so back to the thing. I feel it's your space, and it's not buying a house because we're not getting a house because of the housing market. So make sure we say that. And the interest rate are going up. So I feel like I'm a prisoner in his space, even though I have my own house. But that's our issue with the bathroom cleanliness. That's my concern with it's. I need Eric to clean. Even if we take a rotation out every week. This is your week to clean. I just need him to rinse the shower out, the bottom part out, and then I am open to cleaning it, and we rotate weeks.
Yeah. But at this point, as I said before, that shouldn't even have to be an issue. You should do that anyway. Why do I at this age have to negotiate with you to clean up behind yourself?
So why do we have to negotiate to get your hair about the shower too?
No. Well, the thing is, you do just the same thing. You won't take ownership of what you're doing.
Of the soap scums?
No, whatever. You won't even clean. We have to play a game just for you to even realize and recognize that you won't clean the bathroom.
I'll take care of the soap scums if you take care of the hair.
No, the thing is, I've been doing this.
Yeah.
For the folks out there, I have been doing this. I have been doing this.
For the folks.
No, I'm just saying. Why do I have to sit here and go and get you to understand how important it is to clean the doggone bathroom?
Only when I'm only in there just for a shower and I don't take care of the soap scums. Well, okay. I'm glad I know it's soap scums and not hairs.
But again, like I said, it's just more than that. It's just like if you walk in there, that means have the decency to sweep up, have the decency to mop, which she's never done since she's been here.
I have mopped.
No.
I have mopped.
No. Either way, that's all I have for that.
Okay. So here you're going to say, I feel better because, and if anything you took from this, in your progress, anything you realize, anything to make you feel better, that will move you guys toward a resolution, you were right in here.
Okay.
So we're trying to move toward a resolution.
Got it.
And saying I feel better would help that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Because ideally, this is the kind of game where you can't win by yourself. The relationship has to win or you both lose.
I understand.
I kind of like it. I get it because it makes us really talk about.
Right.
You have to go through the steps, okay? X, Y, and Z.
And usually people are less hyped up about it, but you guys were fussing before I got here, I guess.
We were fussing when you got here. Okay, I feel better because you have shared that the soap scum bothers you. I will take responsibility of the soap scum. We will have rotating weeks. And I think the best way to keep up with the week is when we have Tyler's here. Then I know that's my week to clean. And then when he's off, then it's your week to clean. And then you will. I feel better to know that every time you got the shower, then you will rinse so there's no longer any hairs.
Yep. So my adjustment and takeaway is I will make sure that there are no hairs in the shower after I shower, because I know sometimes I do not rinse the shower out afterwards. So now I know that I have to do that. I do it sometimes, but not all the time. So I got it.
Look how happy you made her.
Oh my God, this game's amazing. Let's pick another topic.
No. Yeah, okay. Okay. No. So, what's next? Yeah, what's next? What can I go to 14? Was there progress or detail?
Eric, so it's 14 is on your side, but it's one that you both have to agree on.
Yeah.
Was there any progress with this one detail?
Yes.
You have to agree both.
Well, I said for me. Go ahead.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And now, do you explain it?
No, that's
okay.
it.
Yes.
There's progress. And the next step is, was there enough progress to win the game? If you settle this issue, you won the game.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. And I guess the part about, because like with my son with the alternating weeks, that's like a trigger.
Yep.
So now you know, like this week, well, it's kind of off, but it would be my week to clean or my day to clean or my week to clean the bathroom. But I think we also need to understand that when you say clean, we also have to define how many times. Because one time is not enough.
You want once a week or twice a week?
Twice.
Okay,
because
that's fine.
Tyler takes care of his own space.
Yeah, twice a week. That's
So
fine.
my son's big enough to take care of his own space. I just want twice a week.
Okay, I see it. That's simple.
Right.
Okay.
That's simple.
So
That was a good one, because that's a big deal for us. That bathroom shit is huge for us. Huge.
Is that what you guys are fussing about?
No.
No. We're gonna fuss about that earlier.
So, how long has that been huge for you?
I've been in the house for a year.
Okay.
That was a huge issue for us. Like when we go places, my husband knows, like, ooh, clean the just rinse behind yourself. It's like I do when I go to somebody's house. I rinse behind myself.
But you don't do it here.
I do.
If there's soap scum on the
So
shower,
his
you
issue is
don't.
soap scum.
But
So now I know.
But you also leave pieces of your soap in the shower too.
Okay, so soap scum, I got it.
No, but it's anything residual.
Okay.
Pick it up. Like you want hair up, pick up your soap and all this other crap.
Okay.
Pick it up.
Got it. So soap scum.
Because I'm the one that's left cleaning the shower.
Got it. Because he does clean the shower. He does.
All right. So you feel like, I know she feels like the game really helped. How do you feel?
It's okay. I mean, I got it. Yeah, I see the benefit of going, through it and looking at it at different points and starting off with one topic, because the way you force the players to identify the detail.
Right.
You have to agree on the detail, because the detail can't be
real issue. Yeah.
Well, yeah. One detail of mine, yeah. So that you have to agree on one issue, and that can be contentious, because obviously we had another issue, but no, I didn't want to talk about that.
Right.
So you have to come to an agreement as to what is the issue we need to settle. Like you said, it could be a car, it could be a new dryer, or something.
Well, I'm really glad you guys You showed a lot of excitement. I'm glad you're happy you guys played. Are you glad you played?
Yeah, it was good. I mean, yeah. Like I said,
because
I see the benefit.
Okay.
We see the benefit. I'm a communicator. I'm a communicator all day long. I'm a talk. And sometimes my husband want to hear my mouth, as he calls it. Sonya, you're nagging. I'm not nagging. Because I progress on things much faster than he does, and it's frustrating when he doesn't. Because I see the vision longer for me. I see long term, and he just kind of like, no, right now. So we bump heads on that. We bump heads on that.
Share this video and help other couples stay together, one issue at a time. Order your games and get free shipping by clicking on the link in the description.